It's an unusually cold and rainy night here in Los Angeles, California, but that didn't stop the stars from coming out. Hi, I'm Ana Maria Reyes with VIP TV, and I'm on the red carpet of the 18th Annual Art of Elysium Gala. And it's the night before the Golden Globe Awards, so let's see what the stars have to say. I want to know, Elijah, you've played the coolest characters. You played, well, you're known very much as Frodo Baggins. Sure. If you could play any character for your next role, what would it be?
I don't know if I even have a dream role. I think I'm more often than not, I'm less motivated by the thing I want to play and more by filmmakers I want to work with and different kinds of movies.
So what are some filmmakers?
Well, I would love to work with Fincher. I think I was really excited about what Damien Chazelle did with Whiplash. I'm so proud of him. I think the film's extraordinary. There's a lot of young filmmakers I'd love to work with. I don't know, it's too many to list.
I'm here with Laura Prepon on this wet carpet. Well, I'm glad you made it out.
Thank you.
So who are you excited to see, or who are you looking forward to winning an award at the Golden Globes?
Orange is the New Black. It's just amazing being nominated, you know, it's so incredible, and it's just an amazing group of people. I'm just excited to be involved, honestly. I've been in this business for a long time, and I love it, and I'm so fortunate. And I just love being a part of it, honestly.
I always watched you on the 70s show as a redhead, and I want to say I love you as a brunette.
Thank you. Thanks. People seem to like it. Thank you.
My other question is, talk to me about your involvement with the Art of Elysium.
You know, it's an amazing charity. There's so many charities that people are involved with, but this really does connect the arts with children who are sick.
James Marsden in the building. James, talk to me about your new thriller, The Loft. It's set in New Orleans. That's a great city for a crime thriller.
It's a sort of throwback to those 80s thrillers like A Fatal Attraction. So it's sort of like that sort of feel. Yeah, it'd be cool to see if people respond to it. It's a great city to shoot in too, especially.
And for the Golden Globes, any predictions or any people you're rooting for?
I'm rooting for Birdman. It's from an actor's perspective. It's such a great film, and from every perspective, technically everything. I loved it. I saw the screener and went and saw it in the theater twice. Loved it.
Zita, so you're right now collaborating on a lingerie line with Christian Louboutin, and it's a Lottie, kind of. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Christian is a very good friend of mine, and I have a lingerie collection, and he let me use a fabric print that he created for his shoes that is little images of me.
So I'm looking forward to it. And what was the highlight of 2014 for you?
Well, really, my lingerie launched in the United States at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom.com and a lot of great online retailers, so that was really exciting for me.
Now, you've been together for 5 years. I want to know, what is the secret to keeping your relationship together?
Is there a secret?
Just being self-aware, you know, and acknowledging your shortcomings and working every day to be a better person.
Compromise, patience.
Tell me, who are some of the favorites that you're rooting for right now for the Golden Globe Awards?
Golden Globes. Eddie Redmayne's been a friend of mine for a long time, so definitely rooting for him, and I thought he was remarkable. Imitation Game I really liked. Rosamund Pike I thought was incredible in Gone Girl. I think all the British are out in true form this year. So.
Well, talk to me about your role on the TV show you're on right now.
Right now I'm shooting The Last Ship, which is Michael Bay's TV show with Eric Dane, and I'm playing a virologist who has to find a cure to save the human race, so no small feat. We're in the middle of shooting that actually right now. We're in the middle of the second season.
It was great hearing all these actors' thoughts. Now they're inside having a great time enjoying the event, and we all can't wait to see how it turns out tomorrow night at the Golden Globe Awards. For VIP TV, I'm Ana Maria Reyes.